Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my new Kioti CX2510. What I'm going to be doing today is installing a 50-inch cutting blade on the factory bucket. So I ordered a new cutting edge through my local Kioti dealership. These are $250 Canadian plus tax, and that includes 4 nuts and bolts. That's included with the package. So this is going to save your cutting edge on your factory bucket there. So if you plan on keeping a tractor for a while, it's certainly worth this investment. With this cutting blade or cutting edge, it is reversible, so when one side starts to get worn down, you can actually flip it around, and then you've got a brand new edge on the other end. So when we install this, it's going to mount underneath the bucket on the cutting edge on the factory bucket. As you can see, it's already pre-drilled with 4 holes on the top here. So this is going to mount on the bottom. As you can see on the bottom side, it's grooved in, so your nuts and bolts are going to sit flush. As you can see, they have a rounded head, so that's actually going to go in like that, and the bolt and washer is going to tight down on the top there. That's a 22 millimeter. So you can see when you're putting your bolt through how it sits nice and flush. So if it isn't, it just needs to be turned a little bit, and then it will sit up in there. And then you have your washer and then nut, and then we're going to get those tightened down. Again, there's 4 of them. And there, it's all installed. Don't tighten these down till you have them all installed. That way it gives you a little bit of wiggle room to put the bolts up through. Like always, every once in a while, just put your bit on here and make sure it's nice and snug down. And you can see it adds about another 2 inches on the length. And then again, when this edge wears down, you can flip it around, and then you've got a brand new wear edge on the other end. So that's why it's nice to have these. As well, it does stick out a little bit further here too from the side of the bucket, so it's going to offer a little bit of protection, but mainly it's the wear edge here instead of wearing down your bucket's wear edge. And again, as you can see, this literally takes seconds to install. It's a little bit expensive for what you get. However, in the long run, if it does save your bucket, it's probably worth the investment. That's why I wanted to get this installed right away before I actually put the bucket to work. And the steps to install this cutting edge or cutting blade, it's similar to other tractors. Some of them come pre-drilled, some of them don't, because this is a factory one I bought from Kioti directly. It actually already came with the holes pre-drilled. As you can see, it made it quite simple. I'm sure there are some aftermarket ones that are a little bit cheaper out there, but may not come with your hardware and being pre-drilled. So in the next month, I'm going to be getting a tandem load of gravel. I've spreaded quite a few with my old John Deere 1025R. So we're going to see how this works, spreading some gravel. So that will be in mid-May. And we use 1/2 inch clear here. Like always, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, make sure you post them below. That's my other Kioti side by side, so we're going to get that out on the trail soon. I actually just installed a winch mount, and a roof on there. The roof got installed yesterday, and the winch and mount last week, so going to see how that works out. Anyways, appreciate you watching. Take care.